Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss question answer of Class 3 English Marigold, Unit 6. The name of the chapter is Trains, and our first reading is fun, and the first question is, where do the trains run? Answer is, the trains run through the mountain, plains and rivers. And the second question is, what are the precious loads that they carry? And the answer is, they carry our luggage, important papers, letters, parcels, etc. Question number 3. When do the trains run? Answer, the trains run from morning to evening, from day and night. Number 4. What is dusk and dawn? Answer is, dusk is the time when the sun is going to set, and dawn is the time when we see the first light of the day. Now, talk time. Do you enjoy trains rides? Answer, yes, I always enjoy a trains ride. Number 2, if you have to travel over a long distance, how would you like to go and where? Answer, if I have to travel over a long distance, I would like to go by a train because it is easily affordable and also very safe. Number 3, if you had to spend the night on a train, what would you need to take with you? Answer, if I had to spend the night on a train, I would take food and water, comb, brush and toothpaste, towel and some medicines. Now let's write. Describe an interesting train or bus journey you have taken or would like to take. Write 4 sentences about your journey. You can use some of the following words and phrases. तो बच्चों, हम यहाँ पे जो कुछ वर्ड्स हैं, इसको यूज करके यहाँ पर हमें 4 लाइन्स लिखना है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है, एक लाइन दिया हुआ है, आई वेंट टू द रेलवे स्टेशन विथ माई फादर. तो हम मैनी पीपुल को यूज करके यहाँ पर एक सेंटेंस लिखेंगे. देयर वेयर many people at the railway station. Okay, so next sentence is, my father took the tickets from the crowded tickets window. Then हम सीट को लगा कर लिखेंगे, I took the window seat. Then the train started with a loud whistle. Okay. Then I saw hills, rivers, big and small trees through the window. Then word building. Sort out these different means of transport into correct groups. One is done for you. Bus, car, bicycle and truck are land transport. Aeroplane and helicopter, air transport. Ship, boat, water transport. Steamer also water transport. Then I complete the sentence. Number 1, give me some food to eat. Number 2, play with me. Number 3, swim across the river. Number 4, let's get on the train. That's all for today. Thank you.